You can be a gardener too. Together, we're gonna learn how to remove seeds from fruits and how to plant them. We'll also learn how to make natural fertilizer out of banana peels. Are you ready?
Today I'm going to teach you how to extract seeds from papaya. Do you like papaya?
Yeah.
So you can extract seeds from papaya and use those seeds to plant and get another papaya plant. Nice, good job. Good job. This is how papaya hang within its plant. This is the bottom part and this is the upper part. The bottom part contains more female seeds than the upper part. That's why we are extracting seeds from the bottom part of the papaya.
We put them in the water.
Yeah, put them now. Can you see some of the seeds are floating? So these are bad seeds which cannot germinate. So you have to take them out and just you have to use these seeds which are down there.
More are floating.
We have to remove all the membranes by just squeezing the seeds. Is it fun?
Yeah. Can you eat them?
No, don't eat them. You have to plant it. So you can plant these seeds and get your papaya fruits.